Robert Handy (1865 to 1929) was a pivotal figure in American art, renowned for his role as a leading portrait artist, teacher, and influential advocate for realism in American painting. He was born Robert Henry Cost in Cincinnati, Ohio, but after his father faced legal trouble, the family moved to Robert adopted the name Henry. His change marked the beginning of a transformative journey that will see him become one of the most prominent American painters and teachers of the early 20th century. Henry grew up in a turbulent time of westward expansion and political tension in the United States, which would later influence his commitment to representing real American life in his artwork. In 1886, he traveled to Europe where he enrolled at the prestigious Académie Julian and later the École des Beaux-Arts in Paris. This immersion in European art world exposed Henry to the works of the old masters as well as the more avant-garde ideas that were ringing, including those of Impressionists. He was particularly drawn to the freedom of expression in the works of Edward Manet and Franz Hals, both of whom influenced Henry's sensitive style and approach to portraiture. Henry returned to the United States in 1891, where he began teaching at the Philadelphia School of Design for Women. There he encouraged his students to look beyond traditional academic convention and to focus on his vivid realities of everyday life. In Philadelphia, he also developed connection with artists who would later be known as the Essingen School, including William Culkness, George Luke, John Solan, and Everett Shine. The group shared Henry's belief in portraying the greater, often overlooked aspect of modern urban life, particularly his experiences of the working class. Henry was deeply inspired by the idea that art should be accessible, expressive, and grounded in real life rather than idealized beauty. He believed that art should depict life as it is, an idea that became central to his work and teaching philosophy. In his 1923 book, The Art Spirits, Henry expressed his belief that art could reveal the spirit of humanity, shaping his student and followers his commitment to capturing truth in art. Through raw, unfiltered depiction of urban and rural scenes contrasted with the more polished and gentle style of the prevailing academic art. making his work both groundbreaking and controversial. In 1906, Henry moved to New York City, where he continued to develop and promote